Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to remove Hyundai Genesis door panel. Start by disconnecting the battery and gathering tools, trim tool, Phillips screwdriver, panel clip pliers, and a 10 mm socket. Pry the window switch panel gently, remove screws behind trim, and pop clips with steady pressure. Keep screws organized in labeled containers and photograph connections before unplugging. Work patiently to avoid breaking plastic clips or wiring harnesses, and always wear gloves and eye protection. Begin by lowering the window and removing visible screws in the door pull and armrest using a Phillips or 10 mm driver. Use a plastic trim tool to release clips around the edge, working top to bottom to prevent damage. Disconnect electrical connectors for switches and courtesy lights before fully freeing the panel. Support the panel with one hand while unhooking from the top lip, then set it aside on a soft surface to protect upholstery. Once the panel is loose, remove speaker bolts and any vapor barrier adhesive carefully to access inner components. Label and photograph each connector and wire before disconnecting to simplify reassembly later. Inspect door latch and window regulator for wear, and lubricate moving parts with appropriate grease if needed. Reinstall in reverse order, reconnecting wiring and testing switches before securing all screws, ensuring the door opens, locks, and window operates smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.